Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. This is the world of Wayne. You may hear the sound of running water in the background. That's my water feature down here, but the whole theme of today's video is Jaws. Now, as you know, I'm going to be going to the Return to Amity event, which I believe is on the 20th and 21st of June in Martha's Vineyard. So I thought I'll just give you a prelude to that by showing you some of the Jaws models I've actually built and some of the memorabilia I've got now. So come with me. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is this shark. This shark was done as part of the Sprueverse challenge, and this is the Stannarts mechanical shark. And basically, in the kit, you do get all of this here, all the internal, the shark as well, which is basically on a rig. What we did, or what I did, was I actually fabricated this whole SS garage sale scene here with the air pumps, film camera, pipes. I did all the sea as well and all of that to make this kind of diorama of the Jaws making of, if you like. But this took about, I don't know, 3 weeks to do. A lot of it was fabricated. This whole section was fabricated. This was actually the first thing that I did. I did the shark afterwards, not knowing exactly how it's going to fit into here. But that looks pretty cool. I'm really impressed with this. Okay, so follow me, I'm going to show you something else now. So let's come over here and walk to the corner of my garden. And here is another Sprueverse challenge. This is a hooper in a shark cage with a shark and some rocks and the seabed here encased in 30 kilograms of resin. This was a failed piece. This big story attached to this. I actually made this inside a glass fish tank. The fish tank buckled, glass pinged off all over the place. It was like shrapnel. I had to put a blanket over it. I couldn't go into the workshop because it was dangerous. But this has now been sitting outside for like 4 years. So all the glass, as you can see, has now fallen off of this. But this is now my garden feature, mainly on account that I can't move it. It's 35 kilograms of resin. So good model. There is layer lines in here. Other than that, I'm sure that if you cut the sides off and polish it, you'll find that this is actually going to be quite a good piece. But just to remind me that things don't always go right, this is the shark in resin. Okay, you can see the theme on this. The last two models we saw were part of the Sprueverse challenge. This was a Sprueverse challenge as well. Now this is a lot smaller than the Orca from Agora Models at the moment. This has got some detail in itself. This is a kit by a guy called Bill Weiger. We did this as part of the Sprueverse challenge. You see this is complete. This is a resin kit. A lot of things were fabricated though. This full mast the weather vane, the flag, everything, that's all fabricated. This whole front end here was fabricated as well. And obviously it all needed complete painting and stuff like that. I even think I made the machete on the side here, but it lights up. Inside we've got the hammock, the CB radios, we've got the first aid box, pretty much everything that you saw in Jaws is in here. This is my pride and joy. This is in the workshop. Obviously now Agora Models has come out, we're building an even bigger one. I'm gonna own two. So it's I don't know where it's going to go, but I'll be honest with you, this has got a place into my heart because the amount of detail that did go into this, even so much as the rope being wrapped around here and also up here as well. But yeah, pride and joy. Okay, and when I come to reference materials, these three books are a godsend. Now, the good thing is that Dennis Prince and Matt Taylor are going to be at the Return to Amity event. But as you see, I met Joe Alves. I've got autographs that I got from Wonderfest last year, designing Jaws. Dennis Prince there, the Joe Alves Adventures and film directed by Dennis Prince, and the Jaws Memories from Martha's Vineyard by Matt Taylor. Excellent resources if you are building something or if you're interested in the whole Jaws as a whole. But there you go, there's my little collection of Jaws memorabilia. I really do hope you like that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.